What is up, boys? Today we're turning this pair of Vans into the clown prince of crime himself, the Joker. What is up, boys? Welcome back to the channel. On this channel I do pretty much everything relating to shoes, whether that be customs, reviews, restorations, all that good stuff. I haven't done a custom in a while, so I'm looking forward to this. But I did do a review, I think about a week ago, on a pair of Yeezys, and apparently Yeezys are more dead than I thought because that video didn't get any views. But shout out to all the real Cash Short fans that did watch that video. And if you do want to watch that video, it was a review on the Yeezy Cloud White, so that should be at the top of the screen right now. As you can tell by the title, today we're going to be customizing these Vans, inspired by the new Joker movie that came out. Be sure to let me know what you guys think of the Joker movie. Personally, I think it was excellent. Like, it's the most different and out there movie by DC or Marvel in a very long time, so that was a very pleasant surprise. Anyways, let's get into the custom. Alright, boys, so as you can see, most of the middle and heel are in that nice crimson color. So now we're going to work on painting this orange. Alright, so as you can see, I painted all the orange areas, heel liner, and this little strip right here. So now we're just gonna paint the tongue green. Alright, boys, most of the major paneling is done. So now let's work on the detail. Boys, everything is done, so let's put the laces back in and take a look at our Joker Van. Perfect. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really had a good time doing this custom because I think Joker is a really interesting character and I really enjoy the Joker movie, so it was good. Shout out to official Edwin Enriquez for letting me use these shoes. I really hope you like them and get some good use out of them. Leave a comment down below if you have any more custom or video ideas that you want me to do. Also, I do have a couple more videos coming hopefully by the end of this week, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when I post those. Anyways, this is Cash Short signing off. Bye, boys.